friends. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today, we are going to learn about animal husbandry in this video. Have you ever heard about it? What is it all about? So, you all are aware with the word animal. Husbandry word might be new to you, but it simply means farming or agriculture, जिसको हम हिंदी में पालन भी कहते हैं. So, animal husbandry means farming or agriculture of animals or pashu palan. So, there are different kinds of farming. So, we will be discussing some farming in this video. Let's start. Animal husbandry deals with the care and breeding of animals like buffaloes, cows, pigs, horses, cattle, sheep, camels, goats, etc. by humans for various products like milk, meat, wool, etc. So husbandry actually means agriculture, and in animal husbandry people keep and rear animals for production of something. So let's start different types of farming. First one is pisciculture. Yes, pisciculture, that is breeding and rearing of fish. In this kind of farming, breeding and rearing of fish are done usually for food. Next, poultry farming. Yes, poultry farming, that is rearing of domesticated birds. In this kind of farming, domesticated birds are reared for the production of meat or eggs for food. Next, sericulture. Sericulture, that is breeding of silkworms. Breeding of silkworms. It is basically done for the production of silk. Next, dairy farming. Dairy farming, that is rearing of dairy animals. Yes, in this kind of farming, dairy animals like buffaloes, cows, sheep, goats are opted for the production of dairy products like cheese, milk, butter, yogurt, etc. Now next, apiculture. Next is apiculture, that is honey bee rearing. In this type of culture, honey bees are reared for the production of honey. In this way, people do different kinds of farming to earn money for their living. That's all in this video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay happy.